Day 47, becoming financially free, testing side hustles. This is bad.
Google disapproved my ad because the destination is not accessible.
But when I check the destination, the landing page is working.
I'm driving traffic to this page. How anyone can launch the #1 beginner-friendly, fully automated online business from home. And I'm giving people this course for free to anyone who wants to launch their online business from home.
Strange, because the page or the landing page is working. But Google says that I have a problem with the destination. But it doesn't matter. I'm going to delete that campaign and I'm going to create a new one. Now let me show you the lessons of this free course.
It has an introduction, the blueprint to quitting your 9-to-5 job, how to set up an automated sales system that pays you passively for life. Here are the best affiliate programs, softwares to promote, how to build a $100 a day email list, high-level overview, how to build your affiliate system for free, step-by-step and click-by-click, get unlimited traffic and customers to your links for free. Next steps, want financial freedom faster, need mentoring, get instant leads using paid YouTube short ads, and Unfair Tools program I used to build my 7-figure business from scratch. It has 10 lessons.
If you want to get access to this free course, let me know in the comments. Talk to you soon.